So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Aryan FX, and in today's video I'm gonna provide you the indicator which is above 90% win rate, and but there's a catch. You need to use it my way, otherwise you will lose your money. So let's get onto the charts, and that's the indicator. I'm using it with 20 EMA because you never take every buy signal and every sell signals, because there are really bad consequences if you do that. You see the candles are coming up. You see a buy signal, you enter over here and you take this low of the candle and you go for 1:2 at least. You're done. You're done over here. If you go again with this stop loss below 1:2, you're done again. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use it with 20 EMA, and there's a catch. Using it with 20 EMA, how you gonna use it? When 20 EMA crosses the 50 EMA and a candle closes above, or 20 EMA closes below and a red candle takes a support or closes below. Okay, let me remove this. So let's wait. So yeah, but make sure the both EMA should be on a trend. Like if this is above, you take a buy, like 20 EMA above the 50. If it's below, you take a sell. So on this candle we had a buy signal and the candle closes above. We go for a buys. Should too. And this candle closes below the 50 EMA and you could have had a sell 1:2. You're done. You had a take profit again. We had 2 wins, kind of 1 loss. It's a break even though. Next we go. We could have taken it longer, all depend on you. that's how you do it. And I have this strategy like combined with the trading as well, so that's the same strategy. So that's how this thing works. This thing have like almost 99% win rate. You can see all of the trade if I combine this with like on the daily, and in the gold it's almost 99%. I'll go with 100 contracts, so it is equivalent to one lot. You see, every single time it gives you buy or sell signal, so sell and it closes itself. Okay, short goes over here. Okay, and this indicator won't be free. You guys have to comment indicator in the comment box and I will send you the link myself. And please subscribe, it's only for the subscribers. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Peace out. And I trade live. If you wanna join my live stream as well, just join it. I'm gonna give you signals over there as well. Not a financial advice, but there will be signals. Thank you.
I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every